All right, we're live. Ladies and gentlemen, Eve is here. What are we doing today, Eve?
We're gonna add a second brood box. This one might look like it since it's the same size, it's a deep, same dimensions, but with our internal feeder, this is just an expansion from an area for all of the larvae to grow.
Awesome. And we needed that because the bees are doing so well here.
Yes, they have started to grow out. So there are 10 frames inside. You can come over here.
Oh, okay. Put it over here on this.
There are 10 frames. When you first input your nuke, which will be these 5 frames or these 5 frames, you'll put the empty ones on the outside. And as soon as they start to grow out to the 1st and 10th, that's when you want to add the next box.
Oh, cool. All right. See, I'm learning. Right among all our fruit trees. I'm trying to remember what this one is. I feel like it's an apricot. Let me look at it. I'm gonna be careful not to get in the way of the bees. Let's see. This is this tree that you just saw. Let's spin this thing around. Oh, it's a peach. It's a peach. All right, so this is a peach tree. That's a huge mulberry tree right there. That is another, I think that's another peach right over there. You need to prune these guys. You gonna get a hive tool? I left it under the, under the nuke box. And then we've got a few other fruit trees here. This one is a plum. Look at the plums coming. You can see them on here. Oh yeah, I can have some plums this year if the squirrels don't eat them all. We've got some tart cherries over here. I have about 4 pawpaw trees going that I grew from seed. There we go, little pawpaw, baby pawpaw. This one I think is a cherry. Look at this. Ooh. Fruit over here. Pie cherry. Yeah. Okay, so she's over here smoking. I'm gonna go back over to her. So you add the smoke to calm them down, right?
Yeah, it basically makes them think that there's a fire nearby.
Yeah.
So they all are encouraged to bury their heads down, start gorging themselves on honey.
To be able to take the honey away if they need to.
Yeah, essentially if there's an emergency, then they're all going to leave. So they're just bringing their resources along.
Nice.
You'll see as I go to get the corners open and loose the propolis, I don't want to step in front of the entrance. In
Right.
general, when you're messing with the hive,
Never
just stay
step
away
in
from
front,
the
yeah.
entrance.
They're trying to get in and out, and then if they see you there, they're gonna get freaked out. So I'm standing here. There are lots of bees kind of flying around me, but nobody's being aggressive. So I'm actually wearing a short sleeve shirt today. Matt and I, you guys remember Matt, I'm sure you know Matt. Matt came to help out today, and he and I are gonna be moving, a few tons of mulch, no big deal. So, having fun. So Matt and I are just standing here in t-shirts. Look, selfie, bro. And hopefully we didn't look too bad, right?
This is goofy.
I didn't look bad.
I was goofy. That's just me, though.
I didn't see what you did. Okay, anyway, moving back on. So she's taking apart these boxes.
No, we're not taking them apart.
Are you not removing them?
I'm just gonna look at the outside frame really quickly before
Okay.
we add our
Okay.
expansion.
All right, she's inspecting. She's not taking them apart. She removed the top and the feeder to get a good look at the frames. Because a couple days ago, they were already building out quite a bit. I'm trying to think how many pawpaw trees I have here. 1, 2, 3. We've got a couple sprouting out front too. I think I'm gonna move them. I'm hoping they'll tolerate the move. But yeah, right here we have the hive nested in among, you know, probably 10 fruit trees right in this little area. We got some dwarf fruit trees. We got apricots with edible nuts. I'm really looking forward to seeing them at some point. How are we doing, Eve? Is that the last one?
That is the last outer edge, so I think we are ready.
We are ready to add another. And what are we adding? What do you call it?
Brood box,
a brood box.
hive body.
Nice. Brood box or hive body?
So hive bodies are basically any box, any brood box. Yeah, they're basically interchangeable. This one is a deep, so it just means it's the largest kind.
Okay. So she sets it right on top. And this actually was our mushroom patch for a long time. You see, look, right over here. Oh, would you look at that? A log with oyster mushrooms growing out of it. Smoking a little bit. So is it normal to have to add another box after 10 days?
I think it's different every season and
Okay.
every location.
Right.
This just happens to be one where they seem to be growing very quickly.
Okay, good. Yeah, I had a friend of mine in Detroit. He said that his insect pollinators, he's seeing fewer insects than ever this year. So I think he's kind of worried.
About them in general,
Yeah.
it's really important that you support their growth, and that's what we're doing here by creating a little sanctuary.
So that was my friend Dave in Detroit who's doing urban farming there. So I told him, I said, well, maybe it's just an unusual thing this year. Hopefully they'll kick back next year. I said, our insects, I mean, the bees in my front yard alone were just going crazy this year. And then you brought this here. So, so they're having fun. I saw there's all kinds of pollinators out there. There's probably 10 different kinds of bees. But here we've got honeybees.
The wind,
for
water.
honey. Yeah, super cool. Well, are we all done?
Yeah, that's
Awesome.
it. We
All
just
right.
had to add the brood box.
That's it, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah.
Goodbye.